In this video, I will share with you exactly what I did to make $25 in almost 24 hours. In just one day, promoting an affiliate product with native ads. In this video, I will share with you everything you should know. The native ads network, the campaign, the ad, the products, everything you should know so you can duplicate and copy my campaign and start making money online. I think what I will share today is the easiest and the fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned and follow with me. Hi everyone, I am Abhi and today I'm so happy to share with you this awesome case study that will allow you to make at least $25 or more per day running affiliate marketing campaigns. So, before we start, please do not forget if you like to watch more videos like this about affiliate marketing, online business, digital marketing, and making money online. Please do not forget to subscribe now to our channel and turn on notifications. And please, if you want me to support to make me produce more videos like this. So, like the video, stay tuned, and let's start together with this awesome case study. Okay friends, so let's just start together. Before I go and show you exactly what I did step by step, I want to explain the concept behind this. Small campaign. In just 1 minute. The easiest way to make money online is promoting a product that is not for you or someone else. So you do not need to create it or maybe outsource it or pay for its product or whatever. So the product is ready for someone else. You just need to promote it and you will earn a commission. That simple. This is affiliate marketing, the easiest way to make money online, the fastest way to make money online. So what we are going to do here is to make things really simple. Is to choose a product that will pay you per lead, not per sale. An example, if someone signs up to this product using your link, just sign up without paying anything, without buying anything. You will get paid. You see this? This is really awesome. Just paying you because someone signed up, entered their email, and confirmed his email. This is really simple. It's a simple lead and you will get paid. So the first step is to find an affiliate product that pays per lead. I will show you now my product I'm promoting in this video. And the product I'm talking about is Trello. We've got this product, the affiliate product that pays per lead. Now we need to promote this product. Now you have here two methods. One is to get traffic to this product for free, and I explain this in details here on my channel on how to get free traffic to your affiliate links. You can go to the description below or find the link somewhere here on the screen right now. So watch that video and go and get traffic to this product. But in this case study, we want to make things faster. So we need to promote that with native ads. We need to pay for ads and then to pay traffic. And when we walk about this product and we talk about the pay traffic method, we have different options. We have Facebook ads, we have Google ads, we have YouTube ads, we have Quora ads. And we have a lot of advertising systems. In this case, I will be using native advertising because in my last video, like 2 or 3 days ago, I explained how to promote affiliate offers with Quora ads. And the video before that, I explained how to promote for free. So if you did not watch the case studies, please go to my description below and find all the videos. I explained how to get 2 conversions for free in less than 48 hours without paying anything. And on the second case study, I showed you how I got 100% ROI with Quora ads. You can check them in the description below. They are really interesting case studies. But now, for this case study, I run paid ads campaign with native advertising. If you are new to this world, native ads, let's explain this in less than 1 minute. For those who are new, to make things simple, let's give an example. If you go to my website, which is brightbot.com, and we scroll down, you'll see that there are ads. This is an advertisement. And here, this is an advertisement. These are called native ads. Okay, but what is so special about these native ads? Simply, in one word, it's look like a normal post inside the website. So if you look here, it look like those posts. So it's somehow native. The shape or design of this ad is format in a way it looks like the website that is on that. Simple. So it's simply we are going to create native ads like this one on a native ad platform and then promote our free product. Okay, that's simple. This is native ad. And when it comes to native ads, we have a lot of companies. We have MGID, we have Outbrain, we have Rep Content, and there are many out there. We have a lot of platforms. In this case study, I will be using MGID. So if we are go down to mgid.com, this is a native ad platform. So now we know what is a native ad and what we know what is an advertising network. I use in this case study. Let's go deep on which product I use and how I promoted the budget and everything else, and show you the revenue and calculate everything. So let's start. So I told you we'll want to find a product, an affiliate product that pays per lead. So one of the best products I found on the internet is Bravo. And why we choose Bravo? Because Bravo pays you €5 for per sign up. It's not going to be something like if someone is paying for the services, you are going to get paid. No, Bravo pays you for per sign-up. If someone, a customer, comes in through your ad and signs up with Bravo and confirms their email, you are going to get paid €5. And the best part about Bravo is that if any of those customers pays for the services, you will get at least $100 per sale. So you are making commission whether the customer buys or pays a monthly commission or your signs up. This is so awesome regarding this product. It is really a great opportunity. You will earn a commission, and this is the power of this case study, that you will get paid per lead. So simply you can go with Bravo like me, or you can find other services that pays per lead, like maybe CPA networks like CPA Lead, Max Bounty, or just find from other services on Google that pays per lead and sign up for their affiliate program. So in my case study, I am using Bravo, but I wanted to show you how I promote this. I wanted to look professional, so okay, I thought about creating something, an article to promote this product, and to make my campaign more powerful, I decided to promote Bravo with other products in the same category. So what I did is I created an article, Bravo versus GetResponse, and also I signed up with GetResponse, a paid program which pays regarding 33% commission on each paid customer, or $100 per customer, per paid customer. I explained this in detail before in my other case studies, and I showed you and I explained that the physiology behind this article, the comparison between two products, is very powerful, and anyone coming here to the article, he wants to choose between this or that. So if he signs up to Sendinview or Bravo, you will earn commission. If he signs up to GetResponse as paid customer, you will get commission. So the conversion rate is really very high. You will see the physiology behind this article. So here is article, and you will see inside the article. As you can see in this article, this guy, as I explained in my previous video, I'm not really going to share my same article, but for you I have explained this in my previous videos, the method I used to get this my article generated. Basically, and I really do not want to waste your time by repeating the same things over and over. Please go to my other videos and see the method I used for creating the article. And I'm showing you this for you to understand how the method really works, how the physiology really works. So it will be easier for you to understand the method which I used to generate the article. And now when I show you how you can do the same and make your conversions using Native. So if you can see this guy has made a comparison between Bravo and GetResponse and ActiveCampaigns. But I only wanted to use 2 products, not 3, because I wanted to narrow down the search for someone who is intended to get on with the company, whether it can be GetResponse or it can be Bravo. And if you see that he has mentioned all the pros and cons, and he has added affiliate links on all of these articles in each and every point. By screenshots, by pricing, he has added affiliate links by ratings, and then he has added see more features. These are all, if you can see that these are all affiliate links. And by the way, if you watch the last 2 case studies, there's the same product I promoted, and I explained in detail how to get these products and promote them for free with Quora ads, and I showed you how I got my first sale with the first case study in less than 48 hours. And on the second video, how I got 100% ROI with Quora ads on the last video. So please go and watch this video. These are very important to give you an idea on how things work and help you start affiliate marketing. So this is somehow an advanced video, advanced case study running native ads. So we got the product, Sendinview or Bravo, and GetResponse. Bravo pays per lead, which is great. And I created the article that is a comparison between the products. So whenever someone comes and clicks on either of these products and signs up, we will get paid. So what I simply did is I go on to mgid.com. This is a native ad platforms, and I created a campaign and run the campaign. And I made $25 in less than 24 hours. So before we show you on how you can start making campaigns on MGID, I just want you to understand one really important factor. Making paid advertising is not like making a piece of cake, to be very honest. What you need to understand is how your campaign is working. It's really important to do the testing. Without doing tests and without doing your precise calculations on a campaign without testing, it is really hard for you to understand the conversions. Please do not go and put your full budget in one campaign. I will advise you to do small testing. Let's say spend maybe $10 or $20 on a campaign and see how it will for you if you got some leads, if you got some sales, or you got some conversions, and when you are really in a way, you're confident you're going to get sales, you can later scale up with those campaigns. So without wasting more time, let's just go and create a campaign for you to understand how I done this step by step. So I'm going to create a campaign, and I given a campaign name, we will say Bravo and GetResponse test. What we are going to do is to do product promotion. So what is the advertiser name? We will say Bravo campaign targeting. So what I did here on the geo, I just clicked on country India. And why we're not really targeting tier 1 campaign? Because I just want to slow down on my bulk rate. Because if we are targeting tier 2 or tier 3 countries, we are going to get pretty less cost on bulk rate. So that forms an OS. What I'm targeting here is not mobile, not tablet or smart TV. We are only looking to target desktop audience. For the browser, what we are going to do is to simply choose two browsers here. We are going to go with Google Chrome and we are going to go with Microsoft Edge. We are not going to focus on anything else. We are only targeting those people who are on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So we will go down on the category. We are going to select a category and we are going to go with technology and computing. And why we are going with technology and computing? Because I did not really see any other targeting option for overhead. That's why we are going with technology and computing. We do not need to touch the segment or something. We will click on continue. So for the CPC, what is our bid? We are looking to get 5 cells per click. And we will go with budget. And our budget for the start is $20, not more. And we will see automatically that when has to run when approved 24/7. And we will click on continue. And here what we have to do is to create a new goal. We will see new goal. We'll give a cap conversion rate. We'll see will beat. And the URL contains. We will select with ends with CPL. Conversion category, we will see need form submission. And for the conversion rate for a test, we will see $2. Not more. This is for just for your way to understand that someone has filled up a form or not. So this is our URL. We can give it a tag and we will say campaign ID. We do not need to do anything else. We will click on publish. So we will go to the main page. And here, if we want to start the campaign, we can simply just click on here and we will start the campaign. So this is all the whole method is all about. And this is how we can really promote with MGID, with native ads, our blogs, or any other product you want to go with. So I hope you understand and have an understanding on how things really work when it comes to native ads. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, let me know in the comments if you have anything. Please let me know also. I hope you have a great day. God bless.